Hi friends, welcome to Love with Sitara. Today we are going to learn some important vocabulary words from the editorial section of the Hindu newspaper. This will help you in the preparation of your competitive exam. So let's start. Our first word is chaos, which means complete disorder. Next, misread, which means understand wrongly. Next, crew, which means team working together. Next, aviation, which means flying or aircraft. Next, apt, which means suitable or appropriate. Next, widespread, which means happening everywhere. Next, disruption, which means disturbance. Next, spectrum, which means range. Next, anguish, which means deep pain. Next, stranded, which means stuck. Next, estimate, which means gaze. Next, compensation, which means payment for loss. Next, unforeseen, which means unexpected. Next, glitch, which means small technical error. Next, rostering, which means scheduling work. Next, alignment, which means proper arrangement. Next, resonance, which means strong emotional impact. Next, sought, which means asked for, tried to get. Next, meltdown, which means complete failure. And last, duopoly, which means two companies controlling a market. Thank you for learning.